In today's video, we'll be showing you how to add and delete a user from your CM-SX4H keypad. To add a user, we first have to enter programming mode. We do this by entering *123456, number sign. Next, select a user ID number of your choice. For this keypad, you can choose between 1 and 1000. The light on your keypad should now change from red to yellow. Add the card by swiping it across the reader. Once the card has been added, press the star key 3 times. Your maglock should now disengage once the card has been sensed. Follow the same steps to add a key fob. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.